No. Epic myth. I'm sorry. Epic mistake. Epic mess.
That is a big mess.
Epic mess.
Are you ready to do something different instead of cards?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? What are we going to do? You want to read a book?
Okay.